Hello, Mike Marzoff here, my introduction video for becoming a reflective teacher. Florida State Transition to Teaching, ALTC 807, Module 0, instructor Mrs. Patricia Reesner. Like I said, I'm Mike Marzoff. I'm in my second year here at Chase Raymond USD 401. I teach some journaling classes, yearbook, video editing, photography. I teach 8th grade ELA and also teach a careers class this year. We started with the seniors, trying to get them where they're going to go. I'm also the girls basketball coach here. This is my third year. Ironically, as a Rule 10 coach 3 years ago, I was coaching the girls basketball team, liked it so much being around the kids, began talking to the principal, who's now the superintendent, about this, and that got me started in this whole transition teaching program. I'm also the college and careers counselor. This is something I've really enjoyed taking on this year as the lady who had been here for 40-some years, our counselor, retired. I took this part of it on. It's a very poor district. Not too many kids go the traditional four-year route, so we're exploring a lot of the more tech fields in carpentry and welding and CDL for driving and things like that, and I really enjoy this part of my job. Some interesting facts about me is I've been a high school football official for 22 years. Some of my best friends are on the crew. We enjoy spending those 10, 11 Friday nights together every fall. I'm also a sports writer. I have a weekly column that appears in the Great Bend Tribune, as well as its own Facebook page called At the Mic. I write on the local sports for Barton Community College as well. 30-some years ago, when I graduated Florida State, this was my degree, and I still enjoy doing it very much. To me, a reflective teacher, is just as it says, you're thinking back daily almost as a perfect world on how can I get better? What worked for me? What didn't work for me? And how to become a better teacher from that. And that's my main focus in all this. I want to reflect more on that. I hadn't been in a high school or junior high classroom in 30 years when I first took this over. So, I know I can relate to the students. Now I need to be able to understand the teaching process so I can teach them better. So there you have it. I'm looking forward to a great semester on becoming a reflective teacher. Thanks.